one of the bonds that keeps a family together. And as Amanda and Billy are joined together today, so are their families. Today, Blake has a very special honour of representing his family by accompanying his mother to the ceremony. So Blake, I now ask you to place Amanda's hand together with Billy's as a sign of your family's acceptance of their marriage. Everyone here has been invited today because of your friendship and your special relationships to Amanda and Billy. You're very important to them and hold a very special place in all of their hearts. So I now ask all of you, will you give your blessing and support to this marriage? Yeah. That's good. My name is Regina Small and I'm a civil marriage celebrant, and I'm duly authorised by law to solemnise marriages according to law. Before you are joined in marriage in my presence and in the presence of these witnesses, I can remind you of the solemn and binding nature of the relationship into which you are now about to enter. Marriage, according to the law in Australia, is a union of two people to the exclusion of all others voluntarily entered into for life. Amanda and Billy, there are two special people who are not here today. However, they are remembered and are here in your heart with you. Today, you have a lighted candle in loving memory of Amanda's dad, Ian, and Billy's dad, Alistair. And I know that if they were here today, they would give their devoted blessing. For those we've loved and lost along the way, a flame burns bright to remember them here today. The memories we shared still store, never forgotten, and loved forevermore. Amanda and Billy, you're about to start your married life together. Remember that a good marriage is like a beautiful garden, and to create a beautiful garden requires foresight, imagination, and a great deal of hard work. Above all, it requires love and care. Tend to your marriage as you would a garden. Work together to maintain it. Gardens have weeds and brambles and need to be attended to constantly. However, when the flowers bloom, they give so much joy, it makes all the hard work worthwhile. Your marriage also needs to be added and tended to constantly. If you deal with the problems when they're small to prevent them from growing, you'll experience the joys of married life with unconditional love, companionship and trust. You'll have someone to hold when you need comfort, someone to share your joy, someone to share your whole life with. Your wedding is just the beginning. Build on your marriage, work at it, tend it daily, and watch your marriage grow and blossom and grow. Today we're in a beautiful bushland setting surrounded by 40 acres of land overlooking the valley and the creek. That beautiful bluestone cottage was built in 1854, and it's a reminder of Australian heritage. And nothing could be more Australian or fair dinkum than being surrounded by nature. But what does fair dinkum really mean when it comes to love? Well, there's a wonderful reading by Kim Cottrell that illustrates this perfectly. Fair dinkum love isn't about bringing a dozen red roses. It's about bringing in the washing. It's not about standing next to your partner because they look good on your arm. It's about standing by them in times of stress. Fair dinkum love isn't about stylish hairdos and smart clothes. It's about wrestling each other on the couch in your tracksuits. It's not about oysters and candlelight dinners. It's about bringing home takeaway when your partner's had a busy day. Fair dinkum love isn't about exciting getaways at fancy resorts. It's about being totally content sleeping in together at home. It's not about gym memberships and facelifts. It's about growing old gracefully together. Fair dinkum love is not about romance or image or success. It's about two ordinary people accepting each other for who they are. And now I'm going to ask you a fair dinkum question. William Alistair Rowan, would you take Amanda Berkellar to be your wife, to understand her feelings, respect her beliefs and values, and accept your differences for all the years to come? And Amanda Berkellar, will you take William Alistair Rowan to be your husband, to understand his feelings, respect his beliefs and values, and accept your differences for all the years to come?
I will.
And now we've come to the most important part of the ceremony, where you're going to exchange your vows with each other. Your vows are a commitment to each other that you'll share your lives together and support one another from this day forward. Really, I'm going to give you a microphone first.
I call upon the persons present to witness that I, William Rowan, take Amanda Berkellar to be my wedded wife. Standing among our family and friends, I pledge to you my love for today and all the years to come. I promise to encourage you to become all that you can be, to help you in all your endeavours and to work with you to achieve ours. I promise a love that will last for the rest of my life.
I call upon the persons present to witness that I, Amanda Berkellar, take you, Butleigh Rowan, to be my lawful wedded husband. I promise to love and honour you, to treasure you and to respect you, to walk with you side by side in joy and sorrow. I promise to grow with you in truth, to laugh with you, to cry with you, and to love you with all that I am, and all that I shall become, as long as we both shall live.
The wedding ring is a symbol of the vows of love you have made to each other today. The ring is made of precious metal, which symbolises the value you both place on the union of marriage. So Codi, will you please pass Amanda's ring to Billy? He does have the rings. And Billy, as you place Amanda's ring on her finger, please repeat after me. Amanda, I give you this ring as a symbol of our marriage. All that I am, I give to you, and all that I have, I share with you. So Codi, now would you like to give Billy's ring to Amanda? And Amanda, as you place Billy's ring on his finger, would you also repeat after me?
Finger Amanda.
Billy, I give you this ring as a symbol of our marriage. All that I am, I give to you, and all that I have, I share with you. I love it. Amanda and Billy, you've lived together for some time now and know each other very well. However, otherwise you couldn't get away with that. However, Craig, who is Billy's brother, and Lyndall, who is Amanda's best friend, have a few secrets they'd like to share about you both. And they're echoed in some words by the famous poet by Pam Ayres. Oh, where are they? Oh, here they are. I had them up there. Oh. Right. You'd like to step forward, please, Lyndall, and Craig.
He never leaves the seat up or wet towels upon the floor. Toothpaste has the lid on, and he always shuts the door.
She's very clean and tidy, though she may sometimes delude. Leave your things are out at your peril, and in a second they'll have moved.
He's a very active person, as are all his next of kin, whereas she likes lazy days, but he'll still drag her to the gym.
He romances her and dines her, home-cooked dinners and the like. He even knows her favourite food and spoils her day and night.
She's thoughtful when he looks at her, a smile upon his face. Will he look that good in 50 years when his dentures are in place?
He says he loves her figure and her mental prowess too, but when gravity takes over, will she charm him with her IQ?
She says she loves his kindness and his patience is a must. And, of course, she thinks he's handsome, which in her eyes is a plus.
They're both not wholly perfect, but no one ever is. However, they'll live their life together in matrimonial bliss.
Well, now that all your secrets are out, you can look forward to a new chapter together in matrimonial bliss. Amanda and Billy, today you've realised your dreams of becoming husband and wife. May this love which you join your hands and hearts today never ever fail to grow deeper and stronger as the years go by. And if true love can guide your actions, you can expect the fullest degree of happiness that can be shared together. We who are present and those who are absent are thinking of you and hope that the inspiration of this hour will not be forgotten. May you continue to love one another forever and live a happy and fulfilling life. And now it's my very great pleasure to announce you as husband and wife. And may I Now I'm sure our photographer needs another shot at that one, so kiss it again. You better
not be that quick in all areas.
Yeah. Belinda and Billy.
Our love is unconditional.
There's the light on.
We knew it from
Someone's heard this before. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, like a golden rolling a tree, younger than the mountain, blowing like a breeze, country road. Take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, mountain mama. Take me home, country road. All my memories gather round her. Minus
You fell for it.
Hey!
Living just to find emotion high. It goes on and on.